Welcome to the Chop Busters, where tools meet genius and sawdust meets destiny. Today, we're diving into 20 mind-blowing tools that'll make your work smarter, faster, and maybe even fun. Let's chop into the future of innovation. Wheelbarrow. The electric wheelbarrow is a heavy-duty carrier with a 300-kilogram load capacity and support for up to 4 batteries for long operation. It offers variable speed control with 3 forward gears and 1 reverse, features multiple braking systems for safety, and includes lights, a warning beeper, and swivel-lock rear tires for easy handling. Quarter-inch hex hydraulic driver. The Surge quarter-inch hex hydraulic driver provides 50% quieter performance and 3 times less vibration with its redesigned fluid drive hydraulic powertrain. Powered by a power state brushless motor, it delivers 3 times faster driving speed, 1,000 inch-pounds of torque, and improved durability through RedLink Plus intelligence. Slabathor. Forget your gym membership. Meet the Slabathor, the real workout for your wood. With 30 inches between centers and 41.5 between rails, it flattens slabs smoother than butter. Got bigger projects? The rail-on-rail setup crushes any size. Set it once, and you're flattening all day like a woodworking superhero. Jet blower. The Ryobi 36-volt HP brushless 800 CFM. Jet blower delivers powerful performance for clearing leaves and debris from large outdoor areas. It features a variable speed trigger for precise airflow control, a cruise control lever for continuous use, and 2 speed modes to balance power and runtime. Whisper sound dampening technology keeps noise levels low, making it suitable for quiet environments. TBK 211. The TBK 211. Soldering iron is a fast-heating, portable electronic maintenance tool designed for precision and convenience. It heats up in just 2 seconds and supports Type-C and lithium battery power supplies. The digital display allows for adjustable constant temperature control, while the sleeping soldering iron stand ensures safety and energy efficiency. Spinner drive. The spinner drive is a compact, versatile screwdriver designed to replace precision, standard, and T-handle screwdrivers. Its ergonomic spinner wheel and smooth ball bearing allow for easy torque adjustments and precise control. Compatible with universal bits and a 1/4 inch hex shank, it offers a minimalist, efficient solution for a wide range of fastening tasks. Wringer Machine. The Wringer Machine features a patented squirrel cage design that agitates sediment from sponges before wringing, ensuring cleaner results. Its solid nylon rollers extract maximum water for a perfectly damp sponge, while the stainless steel construction provides exceptional durability and long life. Three-in-one digital angle. The 3-in-1 digital angle, known as Cube, is a compact and versatile tool designed to measure angles, levels, and distances with precision. Ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, it streamlines measurements and improves project accuracy, helping you achieve higher quality results with ease. Lift and slide cart. The lift and slide cart is an innovative solution designed to make vehicle cargo loading effortless. Its advanced sliding mechanism allows you to easily transfer loads from the cart directly onto truck beds or cargo bays without manual lifting. LXT Wheelbarrow. The LXT Wheelbarrow is a powerful battery-driven carrier built for heavy-duty performance and convenience. It supports loads up to 300 kilograms and can hold up to 4 batteries for extended runtime. Featuring 3 forward speeds, 1 reverse, and variable speed control via a trigger switch, it ensures smooth and precise operation. KAPRO PRO All-In-One Kit. The KAPRO PRO All-In-One Kit is a compact professional toolkit designed for precision and versatility. It includes high-quality measuring, leveling, and layout tools such as the 842G Green Cross Laser, 771M level, and 309 square, along with a measuring tape, cutting knife, magnetic screwdrivers, flexible tripod, batteries, and pen. Brake Caliper Piston Compressor Kit. The Brake Caliper Piston Compressor Kit is an air-powered tool that quickly retracts front and rear caliper pistons for efficient brake pad replacement. It includes a 15-piece adapter set compatible with most vehicles and supports both left and right-hand windback operation. Chain binder. The chain binder is a durable, high-strength tool for securing heavy loads in transport, industrial, and agricultural settings. Its 40-centimeter ratchet handle with an anti-slip grip provides excellent leverage, while the cast steel construction supports up to 12,000 pounds with a 48,000-pound braking strength. Vevor Dolly. The Dolly is a heavy-duty furniture mover built for strength, stability, and protection. When used together, 4 units can support up to 3,474 pounds with a high-strength carbon steel frame, ensuring long-lasting durability. Orbital cutting machine. The Axair Orbital cutting machine delivers precise, deformation-free tube preparation with stainless steel concentric jaws. Its optimized blade design reduces vibration and extends blade life, while a sealed system prevents chip entry. Featuring a smooth rotation handle for controlled cutting and easy maintenance via grease nipples, it can also be adapted for orbital beveling and welding. Locking flex head ratchets. The locking flex head ratchets feature double-stacked powls that alternately engage a 60-tooth gear for exceptional strength and reliability. Their 11-position push-button locking flex head provides both locked and unlocked settings for precise angled access. With a compact head design up to 22% smaller than standard ratchets, they offer improved reach in tight spaces. Snow shovel kit. Say goodbye to back-breaking snow days. The Snow Joe shovel kit is your cordless winter hero, powered by a 24-volt Ion Max battery for epic endurance. Weighing just 14 pounds, it blasts through up to 300 pounds of snow per minute and hurls it 20 feet, like a snowblower on an energy drink. Rapid Work Light. The Rapid Work Light. The painter delivers 2,000 lumens of bright, even illumination ideal for painting, wallpapering, and renovation tasks. Its frosted glass minimizes glare, while the 6,000 Kelvin color temperature provides natural daylight for accurate color assessment. Pressure washer. Heating water to 150 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes, it removes oil, grease, and grime twice as fast as cold water models. Lightweight and easy to use, it features a durable triplex plunger pump, thermal protection, and low-oil shutdown for reliable, long-lasting performance. Self-tensioning ratchet straps. The 1.5-inch wide and 14-foot long, automatic self-tension ratchet strap keeps cargo secure by automatically retightening slack webbing during transport. Its patented design uses dual-coil springs to maintain tension if the load shifts. Welded double J hooks with a corrosion-resistant black coating ensure a strong, reliable hold. That's a wrap on our 20 amazing tools. If you love geeking out over gadgets as much as we did, hit that subscribe button and join the Chop Busters crew. More cool tools, more fun, and way less splinters. See you in the next one.